Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Hummer's 2006 to 2010 H3.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift up or remove your vehicle's body. Hold your frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Then, draw a line approximately a half an inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. After removing the bottom of your frame rail, cut off the bracket on the side of your frame rail. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-proof primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your center frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place with C-clamps to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your vehicle's body. Then you're done.